Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a little tips and tricks and kind of a little help in explaining one thing when you look at files on your computer. One of the things that a lot of people don't know is that when you right click a file, so let's go to videos for example, and here you see some videos that I've posted today. You can right click any file and go into properties and have a lot of information about its size, about when it was created or modified the last time, what is the app that opens this by default, and the file type. So sometimes you need that information, you want to know a little more, so you can just right click on the file and see all the details if you go to properties. So once again, just a right click, properties, and you get all the details there. And of course there are tabs, so there's security information, that is who has access to the file, and to modify the file, read-write access. More details about the type of file and its size and its content, or where it is positioned in your computer. And of course there are some things called previous versions that is in sync with OneDrive. So if you have a modified file, for example, it might be possible for you to see a previous version of what that file is all about. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.